Hi everyone, it's me Navya and thanks for clicking this video. Welcome back to the Self-Learning Corner. If you people are new here, then welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the important topics in commerce, and all these topics are a lot of times repeatedly asked in various exams like UGC NET or electronic commerce or everything. So let's discuss all of these things. In this session, I have taken mainly two concepts. First one is EOQ, that means economic order quantity. Actually, economic order quantity means that it enables a firm to determine the optimum level of inventory. It is the quantity which is most economical to order at a time, and it is the ordering quantity which minimizes the total cost of inventory. What do you mean by total cost of inventory? Total cost of inventory means it comprises the ordering cost and the carrying cost actually. And ordering cost means that it's a cost which is relating to the acquisition of materials, cost of placing an order, for example, transportation cost, salaries of staff engaged in placing orders, and salaries of staff engaged in receiving an inspection, cost of stationery, telephone, etc. And carrying cost. Carrying cost means that it is a cost of holding and carrying the stock in storage. And for example, rent and insurance of stores, clerical costs, and store staff salaries, etc. And the formula for EOQ is root of 2AO by C. A means annual consumption or usage of material, and O means cost of placing an order, and C means annual carrying or storage cost per unit. Actually, it is usually calculated as a given percentage of value of material per unit. And the next concept I have taken is net income theory. It is a capital structure. It is one of the capital structure theory actually. A lot of questions are asked from this net income theory actually, and it is developed by David Durant, and this theory is also known as fixed K theory. According to this theory says that we need to increase the proportion of debt. For what? To reduce the overall cost of capital and increase the value of firm. So we need to increase the proportion of debt in its capital structure to the maximum possible extent. Actually, debt is a cheaper source of finance, and it has mainly two reasons. The first reason is that the interest rate is lower than dividend rate, and the next reason that interest rate is deductible expense for income tax purpose. So debt is a cheaper source of finance, and if we use the debt, or if we increase the proportion of debt in our capital structure, then it will help to reduce the overall cost of capital to its minimum, and we can raise or we can increase the value of firm by that way. When a firm increases the proportion of debt in its capital structure, its KO means overall cost of capital decreases, and V means value of firm will be rises. And an optimum capital structure means KO, that means overall cost of capital is minimum and value of firm is maximum, and that is a point where optimum capital structure lies. So there is a relationship between the cost of capital and value of firm. And here are some assumptions related to this theory. That means KD is lower than KE. KD means cost of debt and KE means cost of equity. KD is lower than KE and there is no tax, and KD and KE remain constant, and the risk associated with debt does not affect the perception of investors. And the next assumption is that the hidden cost does not exist when more debt is introduced. These are the main assumptions related to this theory. And the value of firm. Total value of firm has a formula: market value of equity plus market value of debt. V is equal to E plus D. And market value of equity can be found out by using this formula, and EBIT minus I by KE. EBIT means operating profit, earnings before interest and tax, and I means interest on debt, and KE means cost of equity capital. And overall cost of capital can be found out by using this formula, that is EBIT by V. EBIT means earnings before interest and tax divided by value of firm. And in this graph we can see that as we said earlier while discussing about assumptions, the KD and KE are remains constant. KS means KE. KE and KD remains constant here, and W is easy means KO. If we increase x-axis says the leverage thing, so if we increase the leverage, financial leverage, or if we increase the proportion of debt, then it leads to reduce the overall cost of capital, or WACC, and because of that the value of firm is increasing, and that's the thing. So in this theory says that says that this capital structure decisions are relevant while determining the value of firm, or the value of firm depends upon this capital structure. And all of these are the important points regarding to the net income theory. If you have enjoyed this video and if you need more videos like this, then click on the like and subscribe button, and thank you for watching this video.